10, no? Niagi ko na ay 96. Then dito sa unahan ay 97. Imagine, the price of the gasoline is higher than your average grades. Mas taas pa ang gasolina, presyo sa gasolina kaysa inyong average. Inana, ka-volatile, changing. And we really don't know what will happen by April, by May. We don't know if the war between and among Iran, Israel, and US will be over by that time. Volatile, changing. And we are all affected by the war we never participated and we never started. I hope you're aware that whatever is happening in the country today is a result of the global and national problems. Volatile, changing. And what does it mean to you, learners? You have to invest in an education and go to a school that will help you and will help our parents. I hope that you don't have a second thought going to another school, but just stay in Santa Clara. I hope that our parents do not receive any amount from any school in exchange of their students going there. I hope not. Why? Because you know the effect of accepting something in return, in exchange of what we thought was convenience. In the long run, daghan ay problema, daghan ay amuton. May I ask you, did you contribute for today's ceremony? Niamot ba mo? Nag-amot nila?
Gamay ra.
Okay, unsa inyo giamutan?
Gamay ra.
Pa?
Gamay ra.
Sige. But I hope that's not for the food.
No.
That's not
Yes,
for the
sir.
medals.
No.
Nor
No.
for the diploma. Because
sir.
those are, contributions those are materials which shouldn't be contributed upon. If you contributed for the deco, probably because you have one of the, nakapangoy pa balloon. Nalibog ba ko kung naabag ko sa up na series. Up?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. So that's one thing, volatile, changing, changeable. You, uncertain. Sa April, 2 months ago, ang
Dili man naamot ang
banana
supply.
cube stick, tag cheese dito sa ginapalitan. When the fuel price hike hit us, naanay 12, naanay 15 ang barbecue stick. It's really true that there is inflation and uncertain. You are in a world where you really don't know if naapabamoy balod the following day. If naapabamoy pamasahe the following day. I hope that you choose, while you are given the gift to choose. To choose is a gift. No? That's freedom is a gift. While you have the freedom to choose, I hope freedom will not just allow you to choose any school, but choose a quality school. Teachers in Santa Clara are trained teachers. They have been tested not by fire, but by your parents and your neighbors. Kana sila ang mga natawo bago ng mga naunga. Teachers pa na sa uban ninyong mga igsuon, inyong mga magulang, naapaghihapon diri. Because they have been, strengthened by the toils of time. C, vulcano, unsa tong V? Volatile. U, uncertain. C, complex. There's so many things that you need to learn in this world. By the time I finish talking, hundreds and thousands of songs are illegally downloaded. Hundreds of babies are being born worldwide. By the time you finish this ceremony, there are thousands or hundreds of babies who are killed because of teenage pregnancy. And that's how complex life has become. And what does it mean to you? Since life is complex, you need to continue on learning. According to the father of modern essay, si Alexander Pope, and then popularized by Francis Bacon, ingon siya, Little learning is a dangerous thing. Delikado ang gamay rag na hibalan. Delikado. No? Kana sila ang mahimong marites. Because a marites is different from an educated person. Ang marites, pag naay nahibalan, wala pa na-verify, manabi. No, muna yan tambal. No? The more you know, the more you do not know. A, ambiguous. Kung sa itong A,
Ambiguous.
unclear. That's why it's called future. Nobody has ever seen what future is like. Not even your grandparents or parents have seen future. You are in an ambiguous world. Unclear. Wa mo kabalo. Unsay mahitabo. And so, what does it mean now? By June 2026, by the time you reach grade 11, there are numerous changes that will take place. First, you will first experience, to our parents, our kids, no? At least our parents will understand. You will first experience the 3-term implementation of the school calendar. Pila ka exams ang inyong gitake every year? Pila? 4. In the 3-term calendar, we only have 3. Nindot ka ayo. Tulo na lang ka exam, bibo ni sa dili magtuon. Dili kay magtuon sa 4, sa tulo na lang ba? No? But seriously, there will be only 3 examinations. Kay tulo na ka terms. Dili, wala na yung first quarter, second quarter. And what does it mean? Change. Change. We focus on instructional block. 55 days na pagtudlo, uninterrupted. And there are 5 to 10 days enrichment block. Katong na ay mga co-curricular activities, buwan ng wika, kita mahilig sa DepEd tanan.
Trainings na po.
No? Naay buwan. No? Buwan ng wika, nutrition month, no? Science month, English month, tanan na buwan. Pati mansari, apil. No? But seriously, okay? All the interventions, co-curricular activities, remediation, ibutang siya dito sa enrichment block. And what does it mean? If there are suspension of classes, there should be face-to-face catch-up class. Because when you provide learners with modules, they cannot communicate to the module. It's a two-way communication. Even if you flip it back to back, it's still the module. It will not answer you. It will not read before your eyes. It will not explain. It is what it is. And you have to understand that. And that's the problem of a modular class kung suspended ang klase. Diri sa Naga, sikat kaayo ang suspension of class. Lahi gud mo. Dag-on pa lang suspended na ang klase. No? Last November, nasundan lang tong November 2025, I could not forget. You suspended the class na why ulan. But yes, of course, there was a threat, no, of bagyo. Last February, you again suspended the class. Dili man pud kamo ang suspend. But the point here is that the effect of the learners, the more you suspend classes, the more you don't see your teachers. Bisag inana na ilang dagway gwapa, pwede kayo na sila karon. Pakpakan sa nato ang mga teachers. They are the best teachers you could ever have. Trained. No? I know many of them. And I've always seen them in various trainings. And that's something we can guarantee you. No? So, that's it. 3-term. Another thing, kanang mga suspension of classes sa araw, na araw ng Naga, mag-drum corps mo. Araw ng Sibugay, tuwa na pud mo. No? Tuwa dito tanan. Okay? So, walay klase. So, you insert that. No? Kung the more mo walay klase, the more mo mag-enrichment. And that's something that will change. Okay? Second thing, you, completers, will experience the nationwide implementation of strengthened senior high school curriculum. Whether you like it or not. What will happen? There will only be 2 tracks. Academic and Tech Pro. And what does it mean to you? If you still have second thoughts to go away from Santa Clara and choose the life away from your parents, I think, remember the
Kay
buka.
long form man siya.
Dili ka sure kung naa pa ba kay pamasahe, naa pa ba kay pambao-bao. No? Dili ka sure. Okay? So that's something that will change. Okay? Our strengthened senior high school curriculum. And lastly, our grading system. There will be gradual implementation of the zero-based grading system. What does it mean? Sa karon, no? Karon, naa kayong 65, inag-input nimo sa grading sheet ana, automatic na siya 75. No? Madala pa na siya lampaso, silhig, kung ikaw na maniligtanan. But in the zero-based grading system, what you get, no? What you work, you will get. What does it mean? Kung imong grado si Quinta, kung mura gina imong nakuha, mura gina imong grado. Okay? Dili siya ma-round off. And that will be gradually implemented so that we can assure there will be no mass promotion. I hope that none of you is a syllabic reader. I hope that all these completers could really read, could really decode. Because when you enter grade 11, you will have the mandatory literacy assessment. Because we want to ensure what gets in to the public education system are literate and numerate. Okay? So when you don't have that skill, you need to get out from the system with literacy and numeracy. So before I end, no, because I have this is the 13th school since miaging Sunday nani kalisod manginabuhi. No? No, lisod kayo manginabuhi. Yeah, seriously. Before I end, let me just remind you that you have one of the best beautifully decorated and beautifully mounted schools in Sibugay. Kantawa ba gudro na ba kay makitang sagbot diha? No? Wala. Kay nianhi ko diri, alaunang dako na nilhig. No, last time. Natingala ko only in Santa Clara nga alaunang dako nagbitbit og silhig ang mga bata. That's how careful they are in terms of cleanliness. Soon, you will have your new school principal. Okay? Your new school principal will ensure that Santa Clara will continue on its fight for academic excellence. I want to see your school rise again, not in the drum corps,
Yes.
not in the street dance,
Yes.
but in the academic, no? In the academic competitions and in the curricular activities. I hope that you will improve your NAT. I will not tell them the NAT. I hope that you will focus on what matters most. Education, this, learning. While we are happy of your co-curricular activities and your record-breaking achievement, you still have a record yet to beat to reach 50 MPS, which unfortunately Santa Clara fails to achieve. And that will be a challenge for you,
Hapit na ba yun?
incoming grade 11, to prove that you're not only good in baton, you're not only good in drums, you're good here. And that is what this school is made for. Congratulations, completers. Good luck and see you in the grade 11 here at Santa Clara. Thank you.